So you bought a digital product template, but now what? Let me show you how to exactly customize it in minutes so you can start selling and making money ASAP. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lane Levette and I teach you how to make money online with digital products. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to edit digital product templates that you have purchased so you can make them your own and start selling with confidence. And stick around because I'm also going to drop a quick tip on how you can schedule out your reels with Instagram. This is a game changer for staying consistent without constantly having to be on your phone. This video is going to be quick and straight to the point, so let's get into it. Okay, first things first. This is what it's going to look like when you get a digital product from someone and you open it up. You should have two options: edit template or use template for new design. You want to click on use template for new design, and it's going to redirect you to Canva, and it's going to open your digital product up just like this in Canva. Now, once you open the product up, all you have to do is go in and edit the things you want to edit. It's already going to be in edit mode. You don't have to do anything from here. For example, let's say you wanted to change the color of this. You just click on this element, go up here to colors. Let's say you wanted to make it yellow. Then you can make it yellow. Let's say you wanted to change the name. Then you would just click and you could delete all of this. And let's say you wanted to call it the digital product guide instead of 101. That's all you would need to do. Let's say you wanted to resize it, then you would just go up here and mess with the size, and then now you have a new name and a new color. Let's say you wanted to change the image of the background. You would just click on the image here, and then you could go over here to elements, and then depending on what kind of image you're looking for, you can just type it here and then it'll give you examples. So let's just say you want a woman, just for an example, woman at a desk. Then you can just click on see all and you'll get a ton of photos to go off of. So if you know specifically how you want your image to look, just type that here and then go off what Canva gives you, of course. These right here with the little crowns are pro elements. So if you don't pay for Canva Pro, you don't want to choose these elements because it's not going to let you download without upgrading to that. So like this one right here doesn't have the little crown, so this would be considered a free element. So let's just find a free one and just change it really quick so I can show y'all what I mean. Let's just pick this one. Okay, so you could click here and you could delete the background, and then you would click on this image, click these three little dots, and then just click on set image as background, and it'll set the image as background just like that. So that's just an example of how you can go through and edit this document. Same thing for all of the pages. Let's say you wanted to change this from pink to yellow as well. Click yellow, y'all, and then a quick little hack. Whenever you change an element, if you look down here at the bottom, it will ask you, do you want to change all? So that way you don't have to go through and individually click every pink text. If you click change all, it's going to change all of the pink text to yellow, as you can see, making it so much easier for you. So that is literally all you have to do when you get these templates from somebody that are PLR, meaning you can edit. Open them up in Canva and then start clicking on different things and editing. And that's it, y'all. Hopefully this tutorial helped. And then really quick before I go, let me just click back because I don't want to change this. I want to make this back to my original guide. As you can see, you can click undo to always go back when it comes to Canva. And now I'm back to my original. So let's just pretend this is edited and you want to save this. Before you save this, you want to click up here and change the name. So if you change the title to digital product guide, that's what you want to name it. Once you change the name, all you have to do is click share. Depending on how you're going to resell this document or this product is going to determine how you save it. If you want to just save it so that someone can use it but not actually re-edit, you would just get the public view link. If you wanted someone to be able to edit this document, you would actually find the template link. So you would click see all, and then you would get the template link. And then once you get the template link, that's the link that you would upload to Stand Store. So that way when your customer buys, they're also able to open it up in Canva and re-edit. So hopefully this video helped and kind of showed y'all how to actually get these templates and actually start editing and start making money. And then really quick for the Instagram schedule feature to be able to schedule your reels, I want to show y'all this from the phone because I know most people do their reels and stuff from their cell phone. So let's just say you've uploaded a reel already and it's in your drafts. You would just click your drafts, and then let's just choose one because I have some in my drafts. I'm just going to choose that one. So let's just pretend that I've already wrote my caption and I'm already ready to post this reel. But instead of actually posting or sharing this reel, you want to schedule. All you do is when you're on this screen, scroll down until you see more options, and then you want to click more options. When you get to this screen, you can schedule your reel right here. All you would do is just toggle this on, and then it's going to give you an option to pick the date and time. As soon as you pick your date and time, all you have to do is click done, and then you would just go back, click the back arrow, and then you will see the schedule button. So once you hit schedule, it's going to schedule that reel according to whatever you picked as your date and time. And that is how you just simply schedule through Instagram to make it much easier for you. So if you're one of those people who like to batch content create, this would be a really good tool to use. So whenever you upload all of your drafts, get all your captions set up, your hooks, and have your reels completely ready to go, go in and schedule out your reels for the day, the week, or however long you want to schedule them out for. So that way it helps you out when it comes to creating content and promoting your digital products. And that's it. Now you know how to edit your templates and make them your own. Super easy, right? No more overthinking. Just get in there, customize it, and start making money with digital products. And don't forget about the Instagram Reel Scheduler. Seriously, use it to plan out your content and stay consistent without having to be on your phone 24/7. If this was helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more tips on digital marketing, content creation, growing your YouTube channel, building your personal brand, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions and let me know what tutorial you want to see next. And last but definitely not least, I will be launching memberships on my channel very soon. So stay tuned. Here you'll be able to get tutorials, member-only Q&As. You'll also be invited to my community chat where you can have access to me all the time, get different tips and tricks. And also in that chat, I will be providing free digital products and free templates on a regular basis. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned for the membership that will be launching really soon. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Go edit those templates and start making money. Bye, besties.